Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news. Some core data is showing signs of a turnaround in fortunes. US jobless claims fell last week from the prior week, but the fall in actual numbers was minor. There are now 5.1 million people on these programs, also a small reduction. But all the same, these are considered good results, mainly because analysts had expected rises. All eyes are now on tomorrow's non-farm payrolls report, and a modest gain of 50,000 jobs is expected after the December decline of 140,000. The story is similar for December factory orders, which also came in better than expected, not by much, and also a lesser gain than for November. But these above expectation tones make the results seem positive. In China, meat and vegetable prices have increased significantly since the start of the year, driven by both their cold winter and distribution issues around their sporadic coronavirus outbreaks over the past few weeks. EU retail sales grew more than expected in December, and this is after they fell sharply in November. It is an encouraging sign there. And the Bank of England reviewed its policy settings overnight and left everything unchanged. It said its negative interest rate policy needs more time to work, but it also downgraded the country's growth prospects. Australian exports for both goods and services rose 3% in December from November, while their imports fell 2% on the same basis. Year on year for December, however, these are 7% and 13% declines respectively. But the mix change didn't enable them to post much larger trade surpluses as a result of imports falling more than exports. The US Treasury 10-year yield is up another 1 basis point at just on 1.14% today. The price of gold will start today down sharply, down $46 to $1,790 an ounce. Silver has followed. Oil prices are unchanged at just on $56 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just on $58.50 a barrel, but they have been quite volatile in between. And the Kiwi dollar will open today, giving back much of yesterday's rise. It is now at 71.6 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're now at 92.2 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're just under 59.8 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is down marginally to 73.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.